In this video, we're going to be talking about diagram number 4. It's a hydronics wiring diagram. We have our same basic circuit again. We have our low water cutoffs, we have our pressure switch, we have our primary control, we have our thermostat. But what we've added here is we've added basically heating relay. Now, the heating relay is used in systems where we might actually have cooling at the same time. Okay, so our normally closed is always our heat side. Normally open would be our cool side. So let's go ahead and we're going to wire this in. So again, I'm going to go ahead and wire the CAD cell in first. It's probably our easiest component to wire in. Okay, I'll do that with the orange wires. Now, where this gets weird is on the thermostat. So let's go ahead and wire the thermostat in next. We are going to provide R gets T. Okay, so we're going to do that. Now, actually, you know what? I'm going to change that around a little bit. I am going to come in because my relay, my heating relay, has to go in the circuit, and I think I want to provide go ahead and do it that way. And you'll see where I take this second T. I'm going to take it to the bottom side of that heating relay. Okay, so again, we're taking T to our heating relay, we're coming out of our heating relay, we're going to R, and we're going to W and back to T. Okay, you may also see it wired backwards here. I could wire it a little bit differently, and I could do this as well. I could decide to come out, bring my T down there, extend this down, and I could do that. Still right. Doesn't really matter in this case. So that's my low voltage side. Okay, now I don't have a water feed valve on here, so we're not going to have anything on pin we're not going to have anything over there on pin 4. So let's go ahead and wire in my line voltage. I'll use black this time. I'm going to come into my breaker. And again, let me just neaten this up a little bit. I'm going to have everything wired in series. All safety switches and control switches, we always wire in series. I'm going to bring that down to pin 3. I'm going to bring my B up to there. Okay, again, pin 4 in this case is going to remain open. I'm going to go ahead and take care of my line voltage side first. Okay, now I still have to deal with neutrals. Okay, so I have a W terminal here, I have neutral, so I'm going to change wire color just because I can. And I'm going to come in, and if you notice, I'm trying to use as many junction points as I possibly can. I'm not wiring this, just running wires all over the place. Okay, I'm using junction points, which is what you would be doing in the field. This is a pictorial diagram. Again, all we have is a steam system with a pressure control, which is my operating pressures. We have a thermostat. We did add that heat relay that allows us to shut this system off if the system is in cooling mode. Okay, so we have that capability now as well.